Welcome to How Tech Works, where we take the mystery out of technology. Today we're talking about something you've probably seen on your phone screen: 3G, 4G, maybe even 5G. You might be wondering, what do these things mean? Is one better than the other? And do you really need the latest one? Let's break it all down together. The G in 3G, 4G, and 5G stands for generation. So 3G means third generation, 4G means fourth generation, and you guessed it, 5G is the fifth generation of mobile network technology. Each generation has been a step forward, improving how fast and how well your phone connects to the internet. That means better video calls, faster downloads, smoother streaming, and quicker apps. Let's start with 3G. Back in the early 2000s, 3G was a big leap forward. Before that, with 2G, you could barely send a photo. But with 3G, suddenly you could browse the web, check emails, and even stream low-quality videos on your phone. It wasn't lightning fast, but it got the job done. Then came 4G, which changed everything. 4G made your phone feel like a mini computer. You could watch full HD videos, stream music without interruptions, join video calls, and download apps or files much faster. Most people today still use 4G and find it works just fine. Now we have 5G. This is the newest generation. You might see it advertised everywhere, but what is it really? 5G is all about speed and responsiveness. It can be up to 100 times faster than 4G, depending on where you are. That means you could download a full movie in seconds instead of minutes. It also has much lower latency, which is a fancy way of saying there's less delay when things happen online. That's useful for things like live video calls, gaming, or even future technologies like driverless cars and smart cities. But do you really need 5G right now? If you're someone who mainly uses your phone for texting, emails, browsing, and the occasional video, 4G is more than enough for most people. 5G is still being rolled out in many areas and isn't always available everywhere. And in some places, the difference between 4G and 5G might not even be noticeable yet. However, if you live in a city where 5G is strong and you like downloading videos fast or using data-heavy apps, you might enjoy the upgrade. Just remember that your phone and your data plan both need to support 5G to use it. Now, some people worry about 5G being unsafe or harmful. But there is no scientific evidence that 5G is dangerous. It uses radio waves, just like your TV, Wi-Fi, and previous generations of mobile networks. It's been tested and approved by safety organizations all over the world. So to recap in the simplest way possible. 3G was the beginning of mobile internet. 4G made smartphones fast and powerful. 5G is the future, bringing even faster speed and new possibilities. You don't need to rush to get 5G if 4G is working fine for you. But it's helpful to understand what all those G's mean when you're shopping for a new phone or data plan. Thanks for watching How Tech. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone else who might be wondering what all this G stuff is about. We're here to make tech easy, clear, and helpful for your everyday life. See you in the next video.